Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends onto your Destiny 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Destiny 2 games on your device, and once you open it up, you will need to complete the basic tutorial levels, during which you will be able to set up your username and choose your character. After you have chosen your character and set up your username, you will gain access to the game within the first mission. Now from here, if you wish to add a friend onto your game, you can go back to the main menu or tap on the escape button and then click on open director. From the director menu, you will see the invite friends option at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be taken into the friend invitation page. You can also click on the friends icon at the top right corner, and now you can just click on the manage invite button, and from here you will be able to search by using a Bungie name in order to invite any person as your friend. You can also use Epic Games account and simply search using Epic Games Store. You can also use the all player option in order to search for players across all platforms. And from either one of these methods, once you search for your preferred friend using the search box, just tap on their profile and you will see the add friend button. Once you tap on this button, a friend request will be sent to this user, and once they tap on the accept button, you will become friends with this user on the Destiny 2 game right away. And now you will be able to start playing games along with this user on Destiny 2 right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on the Destiny 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.